Twist and pull up on the fuel injector to release it out of the fuel rail. Yes, this fuel rail is still full of fuel. The fuel injector resistance is supposed to be between 13.5 to 19 ohms on the multimeter. Now that all the fuel injectors are out, we can test every single one of them, but I will only show testing one. The positive pin is indicated by the plus sign. Connect the red positive lead probe to the right, then connect the black negative probe to the left. Set the multimeter to 200 ohm. The reading is 15.3 ohms. I prefer to use these DeWalt safety goggles. The spray can cap is removed. This allows the fuel injector cleaner adapter to fit onto the CRC carburetor cleaner spray can. The fuel injector cleaner kit also comes with the wiring that you see I've connected to the fuel injector here. I'll provide a link in the description below. I had to purchase the alligator clips I'm using separately. Just press the fuel injector into the round hole into the adapter. I'm definitely using some paper towel so any of the carb cleaner that sprays out won't get on me. Place the adapter on top of the spray can, push down while pulling the injector into the adapter and then connecting the negative alligator clip to the negative terminal on the 9-volt battery. This will allow carb cleaner to flow through the injector and clean it out. You can watch episode 8 of this Ford Crown Victoria in the link right here.